students, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Rakesh Kutumia, Assistant Professor from Maths Department. Today my topic is matrices. Okay, in matrices, first we know the definition of matrix. What it is? In bold, a matrix capital A is a rectangular arrangement of m rows and n columns. Okay, in this way. Matrix is denoted by capital letters, so here it is A, and in square bracket all the entries. So first entry is A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Similarly A21, A22, A23, A2n, and continue AM1, AM2, AM3, AMn. This way we can put out it. Okay, here see we have written first row, the elements of first row, elements of second row, elements of third row. Each entry is known as either entry you can say, or you can say element of matrix. Okay, now here see this one A11. What it shows, it gives the address of particular element. When we say A11 means matrix entry. Which entry? First row, first entry. The entry which is at place first row, first column. Same way A12, A13, A1n, and so on we can find out. Similarly, column, first column, second column, third column, and nth column. At last, what we have written? M cross n. What it shows? It shows order of matrix. Order of matrix. This shows order of matrix. In order of matrix, this one, this part kept M shows number of rows, and this part small n number of columns. So simply we can say matrix is a rectangular represent of m rows and n columns. For example, I take any example, say something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many rows it contains? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. And how many columns? 3 columns. Another example is, you can say something B, it is 1, 3, 5, 7. It contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So, order of a matrix here it is 2 cross 2. It is 2 cross 2. Other examples also. So, what we can do? Next example is this one. Let C is equal to something 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now, what is the order of this one? It contains 3 row, so it is 3. How many columns? 1, 2, so it is 3 cross 2. This is also examples of matrix. Lots of examples you can make from it. Okay. Another one you can say something D 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about this one? It contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So, first one, this entry shows number of rows and this entry shows number of columns. So, this is the basic of matrices. First of all, we see the definitions. Now, we see the examples. Now, next it is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay. There is also difference between matrix and matrices. There is difference between matrix and matrices. What it means? When you have single matrix, you use terminology matrix, and when you have more than one matrix, you you can use terminology matrices. Now, addition and subtraction of matrices. So it is just a simple number. So first of all, if we first example, A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, B equal to 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Then A plus B, A minus B, B minus A, that we have to find. So, solution point of view, this we have to find. Remember one thing, when you are going for addition and subtraction, the order of the all say both matrices should be same. So here first of all we find A plus B. What it is? Write down the entries 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2. So, what it shows? See, dimension order of matrix A, it is 2 cross 2. Order of matrix 2, it is again 2 cross 2. So, your result is also 2 cross 2 because matrix is a vector quantity. Always you find result in terms of matrix. Okay, so here A plus B. Now operation is addition. So what you can do? First entry with first entry. So 1 plus 1. 3 plus minus 1. Second. Third. So it is 5 plus 3. 7 plus minus 2. So your result would be 1 plus 1 it is 2, 3 minus 1 it is again 2, 5 plus 3 8, 7 minus 2 it is 5. This is your A plus B. Similarly, you can find A minus B. Okay, so for A minus B, again put out the values 1, 3, 5, 7, values of B. 1 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Now, here at plus and here it is minus. Okay, then it is same wise, element wise. So 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, 7 minus 2. So what we get? 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 1, so it is 4. 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 2, so it is 9. This is your A minus B. Similarly, B minus A, put out the values of B, put out the values of A, and in between operation it is minus. So it is B, it is 1, minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 8, 1, 3, 5, 7. So this will give you 1, minus 1, minus 3, 3, minus 5, minus 2, minus 7. So answer is 1 minus 1, 0, minus 4, minus 2, minus 9. So this way you can find all three values A plus B, A minus B, B minus A, and so on. This is your first example. Another example is example 2. Suppose you have A equal to something 1, 3, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. B equal to something 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6. This example. Then A plus B, A minus B, find out this. So here also A plus B, 1, 3, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So again same process what we have done in example 1. So here it is. First entry with first entry and whatever operation you have, do it. 1 plus 1. Second entry plus second entry. 3 plus 3. Third entry plus third entry. 5 plus 6. Same way 6 plus 7. 3 plus 8. 2 plus 9. 1 plus 4. 2 plus 5. Same way 3 plus 6. So result is 2, 6, 11, 13, 11, again 11, 5, 7, 9. This way you can find A plus B. Similarly, you can find A minus B. Put out the values. 1, 3, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6. First entry to first entry, 1 minus 1, second to second, 3 minus 3, third to third, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 7, 3 minus 8, 2 minus 9, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 5, 3 minus 6. So what you will get? 1 minus 1, 0, 3 minus 3 again 0, minus 1, 6 minus 7, minus 1, minus 5, minus 7, minus 3, minus 3, and minus 3. This way you can find addition and subtract your whatever matrix given to you, you can find out this one. So thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.